Hey guys, welcome back. So today I thought I'd work on some figures, some human figures, because I feel like I need the practice, and then maybe follow that up with painting. So let's get started.
Yeah, the man can't paint. It's sad but true.
So sad, so true.
Kovar can't paint, and so can you.
Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to all the people who have been watching this channel, and welcome to the new people. If you are new, just a little bit about this channel. I am not an artist. I am not a painter, and I'm definitely a beginner. And I put this channel together just to show people that you can just start and do it. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be great. You don't have to know everything to start and to have fun and to paint. Watercolor is something I've always wanted to do, and I'm excited to do it, and I'm excited to share it with you guys, and hopefully over time I get a lot better, but if I don't, who cares, right? Anyway, today I am practicing figures, and I'm following another one of Niaz Hannon's tutorials. You can follow along in the link below if you like. I mean, I definitely wanted to work on my figures. I'm a little intimidated by them. This is a great tutorial. He does them really fast, and he makes them very unprecious, which I appreciate. I'm following there on my iPad. But I definitely want to get to that, level where I can be out there in the wild and, have my paints out and just painting like a great cityscape, and have confidence in painting people. As always, my faithful dog Oreo is with me, taking a nap. Let's see how long he hangs out there before he asks me to take him out for a walk. So far I'm pretty happy with these figures. This practice session I got going here. I'm getting confident enough that I'm going to move on to trying to shove some of these guys into a painting. We'll see how I do. I don't really have an idea for a painting I'm going to do next. I know I want to do a street scene, but I don't really have one set up to copy. So I thought, maybe I'll try one just from the top of my head and see how it goes, but we'll see. So my plan here, if I have a plan, is to sort of do what I've learned watching Niaz's art, and I don't know, just mix in some of the other things I've seen other artists do. But I'm doing a perspective drawing here first, which I literally learned this just a couple videos ago from watching other artists. But I draw on horizon, pick a point out there in the distance, and make that the vanishing point. Draw in some windows and some doors and some canopies. A couple things I've picked up from other artists I've admired is to not be too precious about the buildings and such. You know, just sort of drawing the lines, drawing the windows, more as a gesture than perfection. I mean, to be honest, I'm already doing too much as I'm watching it again now. I thought I'd add in some people, kind of walking across the street, maybe some young kids, teenagers, hanging out, sitting down there in the corner. A guy with what I tried to make look like a baby carriage, but, you know, also looks like a lawnmower. Like I said, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. Lady in a dress over there. And, yeah, you know, some chairs and table. Hey guys, I mean, literally, I'm just pulling this right out of my, you know, backside. But that's, I love that, to be honest. I really just want this to be fun and creative and just, you know, just do it. Oh, yeah, I think somebody needs my attention, so I guess before I start painting, I gotta take a quick break. And we're back. So I got the sketch in. Gonna start with some kind of turbulent skies. And then hit those buildings. I think for sure I didn't do myself any favors by painting a scene that wasn't there. You know, I really didn't. It's kind of coming up with everything out of my mind, which is fine. Had a bit of a big jump there from my the battery in my camera went out and I didn't realize it. But here I'm adding details to the sky and maybe some plants and planters out by the sides of the building. Add some shadows in underneath some of these windowsills and maybe a black purse for the lady and some black shoes. Trying to get that reflection in the water, and then moving on to my white gouache, which I wanted to use to create some reflections in the ground. There's some things I really like about this, and then I really don't like about it. Or let's put it this way, things I think are more successful and less successful. I really like these two figures sitting over here next to the wall. I don't know, I feel like they're kind of believable. They got a good vibe. I like the purse on the lady walking across and the backpack on the guy. I think my umbrella could use a little work, and definitely the stroller has seen better days. But that's it, my friends. That's the painting for this week. don't forget to sign it. You never know how famous you're going to be one day. But hey, you know what? For a painting out of my head, it doesn't look that bad, does it? Thanks again for hanging out this week, guys. As always, I appreciate it. Please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's always appreciated. And we'll see you next time.
Kovar can't paint, and so can you.
It's pretty cool. I love it.